Hi, I'm Katie, and in this video, we're going to go over an email to remind our clients about our portal app. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click Get for Free. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and go to your firm templates, and then under emails, and now you can review your template. Just going to give them a little bit of reminder of our technology investments and an overview of our portal here. And then it's going to give you a link to our iOS app and our Android app. You can go ahead and click Save and Exit. And now we're going to go ahead and send that email out. First thing you're going to want to do is click New, Email, select your template, select your user, and we're going to use my test account. And then go ahead and click Send Email. And now we have sent that email to our test clients. If you have any questions, please reach out on the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.